Hi guys, welcome to Mapa Solver Tech Center.
Baka pag-iyan.
Nito, kaw. Hi guys, welcome to Mapa Solver Tech Central. Available for installment po tayo. Meron po tayong available na Vivo. Nandito po si Vivo para ipaliwanag yung kanyang at sabihin yung mga product na available. So, siyan po si Franklin. Okay mo na yung sabihin yung model mo.
Hi guys! So, meron tayong Vivo Y04. 5,500 mAh na siya. Then, may 200% volume and audio booster na. Yung price niya ito, 4,699. Yung 64. And then, yung 128GB, 5,299. And then, ito yung Vivo Y19s. 6,499 naman siya for 128GB. And then, 8,499 naman sa 256. Same lang sila. 5,500 mAh din. Sir, what ang problema? Ano yun eh? Yung dust and water resistant cleaning. So, ito, ano na siya? 300% volume na siya. Ito yung Vivo V50 Lite. Ito yung ano, yung waterproof na. Pwede mo siya ilublog sa tubig. Then, 6,500 mAh na siya. And then, yung ano niya, 24GB RAM na siya.
Model to.
Na guys, so, Y90. Ay, pula ng camera ko. And then, ito yung ano, Vivo V50. Zeiss all-main camera na siya. And then, 6,000 mAh. Blue Volt battery. And then, Qualcomm Snapdragon na din siya. 7 Gen 3. Yung price niya, 27,999. For 256 ROM. And then, 30,000.
Hi guys. May number. So, nandito po si Home Credit para paliwanag paano po mag-install nito. Ito po yan.
How to be eligible for home credit loan, either a product or cash loan. You generally need to be a Filipino citizen between 18 and 68 years old with reliable source of income. You'll also need to provide a primary and secondary ID. Source of income, you must have steady income from employment, business, pension, or remittances. Valid IDs, you'll need one primary ID with your current address and date of birth and possibly a secondary ID if the primary ID doesn't contain both pieces of information. Yun lang po.
Yung branch po namin in front of PNB. Ayan o, sa Santa Cruz, Lubao. PNB. Philippine National Bank.
Beside of Lemon Square. Beside lang po siya ng Lemon Square.
Lemon Square. Optical clinic. Ayan guys, so PNB guys. Night guard guys.
Sa balang mag-avail po, punta lang po dito sa Mapa Solver Tech Central. Harap lang po ni PNB, beside ni Lemon Square.